Hey, what's up YouTube? I got this new drill press and I decided I wanted to make something with it, something that would only take me a couple of minutes, or like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So I decided to make a little holder for all my impact driver bits, which I get really tired of scrounging around in this little bin thing to try and find the right one that I need every time I want to use it. So I went over to another project that I'd started a couple of weeks ago, and had a couple of strips of plywood that I'd cut, and I started drilling holes in them for the driver bits to fit into. I have 4 bits and 1 extension, and I just measured along like little gap in between each one and drilled through each hole. Sanded off a bit to smooth it up, and then I countersunk both sides just to tidy it up, and also to provide a little recess for the wider part of the bit to fit into. And they fit fine. I toyed with the idea of putting them on a stand so I could stand it on the bench, but I decided I didn't really like that idea in the end, and I abandoned that idea, as you'll see in a minute. This is the hole for the extension. And this is where I'm going to keep them, on the pegboard. Now when I got them up there, I decided I didn't like the extensions sticking up above the rest of them, because I thought it might lose balance and fall forward and fall off. So I put a bigger bit on the drill, and all my drill bits are wobbly as hell, as you can see. It's not the drill press. The drill press does actually drill true, but I need new bits. Anyway. And now that sits like so. And that's it. Job done. I'm pretty happy with it.